sorry for that burp. Hi everybody, it's me, Jordan here. And today, Jordan said I want to talk about something. I guess we talk about it. Oh, it's nothing bad. It's just, well, a habit that I have. Okay, I know, yeah, I talked about how I like to pick my nose, and we discussed that. Yeah, it's a birthday habit. And I can never really take care of it. I don't know why it happens. Jordan, I don't know why you burp. Or why it's been going on. I don't know, Jordan said. It just happens. I mean, all I can do is just apologize for it. Yeah, well, you gotta find some way of controlling it. Yeah, I know, because apparently vampire hunters or vampire flayers or vampire killers, or in my case, vampire assassins who burp, won't be taken seriously by those that are gonna dust, flay, or stake, or assassinate. And you're burping again. It's gross, now stop it. I'm sorry, I can't control my burps. I can only apologize for them. Now what? Some people might think, oh, maybe it's the food you're eating, or maybe it's the liquid you're drinking. I don't know. It could be either those or all from above. Who knows why I'm having burping problems? But they don't seem to happen. They only seem to happen at certain times. And it seems to happen when I make videos. If I'm not making any videos, then the burps don't come. So sorry for that burp. But anyway, you people are going to probably think, oh, so it's planned. You sit there and plan it out. No, I won't sit there and plan it out. I mean, that's just what seems to happen. Because there were certain days and certain videos where there was no burping in them. And then they did, and then it just starts up. Oh my, Jordan, you got a bloody burping problem. Yeah, I do, Spike. There's not really anything not really nothing I can do about it. Yeah, I guess you really can't. Those are some of the abilities or functions that I lost a long time ago. You're right, because vampires don't really have the ability to do bodily functions, including burping and farting and sneezing. I didn't say that we have some of them, but I didn't say we couldn't do them all. Yeah, Jordan says, I do got a burping problem. Yeah, who doesn't? Apparently, she says I need to stop it. Well, you can't have any control over your burping, but you can at least apologize for it. And that's what I have been doing. Tell Buffy that. Right there, it happens again, Jordan says. People think, oh, I'm doing this by purpose. They think that I'm doing it. Well, burping is like the equivalent of farting, only instead of it, it being your butt, it's your mouth. Regardless of why I'm burping, I don't know. Could be what I'm eating, what I'm drinking. I really don't know. But anyway, it's Ray. Jordan said, it happens. All I can do is apologize for it. And some people want to criticize me for burping, go right ahead. You don't make a big deal of it, I'll block and ban you. If you want to try to make go all crazy about it and give me a hard time about it. There it goes again. Look, Buffy, I can't control my look. I have no control when it happens, but at least I'm apologizing for it. And that's the only thing I can do is apologize for my burps when they do happen. He did again. Ew, Jordan, seriously. I'm sorry. I apologize for the burps. I don't know why they're happening. So, okay, that's it for me. Jordan says, tell me what you think about my burping problem. I've made a lot of videos talking about this, but it's a very current topic. Jordan. Well, I'll see you later.